Good morning children, welcome to class 5 SST. Chapter 2 Stone Age, the ages of stones is over and question answer is also over now. Previous class I have given the question answer. So today we will discuss some exercise new words. First one, the new words. Okay, all of you take out your page number 24. New words with meanings given there, that is in the form of definition. So when definition is asked about these words, you have to write this. Okay, so I will read this. Primitive. What is the word meaning of primitive? Ancient or very old. Microliths. Microliths are the small stone tools, small and sharper stone tools that we have learned in the Mesolithic period. So you write microliths, small tools made of stone. Harpoons. Harpoons are long spear-like weapons used for fishing, etc. Then earthenware. Earthenware means pottery made of clay. Then barter system. Barter system also we have learned. Exchange of goods for goods or things for things instead of money. Exchange of things instead of money while buying and selling things. Metal ores. Ores from which metals are obtained. So these 6 words with meanings are given there. You have to write this in classwork copy. Okay. Then next MCQ, multiple choice questions. Early man made tools of options clay, metals, stones. What is the answer? Early man made tools of metals and stones. Metal tools also used stone tools, but at first they used stones. Okay, metals they started in the Chalcolithic period only. So you can write early period. Early man used stone tools. So stones are the answer. Then next question, middle stone age is dash. Options: option A Paleolithic age, B Mesolithic age, and C Neolithic age. So the answer is Mesolithic age. Middle stone age is otherwise known as Mesolithic age. So the second answer is Mesolithic age. Then third question, Iron Age followed dash age. Iron Age followed the Bronze Age. So after the Bronze Age, what age started? Iron Age started. So Bronze Age you can write. Okay. Then so the answer of this MCQs, question number 1 stones, second Mesolithic age, third Bronze Age. Clear? This also do in copy. Then next, arrange the following events in a proper sequence. So some sentences are given there. These are the events that had happened in the Stone Age, different Stone Age, the events. So but these events are not in the order. These are given in different order. Okay, so you know that history is a series of events that are arranged in order. So write in the order according to the events that had happened in their order. Okay, then number 1, which sentence will come first? So I will read all the sentence first. Men and boys were trained as warriors. Early men turned to food producer from food gatherer. There was development of primitive tools. Tools and weapons were made from steel. People lived in clans that belonged to tribes. So which sentence will come first, or which incidents will come first? So in the Stone Age, the first is the Paleolithic age. In the Paleolithic age, we have learned that Paleolithic people started in the Paleolithic age, development of primitive tools or old tools happened. So that sentence is given there. So that is the first sentence. Okay. So third sentence is the first sentence. Clear? There was development of primitive tools. Then second, which incident came? Then after the Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period second, that no incident is given there. Then third period is the Neolithic period. In the Neolithic period, people became the food producer rather than food gatherer. So that sentence is given there, so you can write that sentence as a second incident. Second sentence is given, that is the second incident. Early man turned to food producer from food gatherer. Then third incident is, after they learned the techniques of farming, they started to live in clans or societies, belong to tribes. So fifth sentence you can write as third sentence. Okay, people lived in clans that belong to tribes. That is the third incident. Then next incident, what happened? Two more incidents are given there. So in order, that is the first. Fourth is the first. Tools and weapons were made from steel. That is in the Iron Age. Iron Age, next. Iron Age incident is given there. Tools and weapons were made from steel. That is the fourth sentence. Then the last sentence is, men and boys were trained as warriors. This last. In the Iron Age, they invented more iron tools. So after that, men and boys got training as the warrior means fighters. Okay, so that is the last incident. Okay, so I will read all the incidents in order. First sentence is, this is the order given. The first sentence is, there was development of primitive tools. Second, early man turned to food producer from food gatherer. Third incident, people lived in clans that belonged to tribes. Fourth incident, tools and weapons were made from steel. Then fifth incident is, men and boys were trained as warriors. Okay, so this also you can do in copy. So these three exercises, new words with meaning, then MCQs, then arrange the following events in a proper sequence. Do in copy. Clear? Okay, bye.